once again, beautiful friends watching the YouTubes. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Carrie Blaze. This is my good time train and is pulling out of the station. All right, you guys, this had to be documented today because I haven't had it in months and months and months and months. And everybody's been eating McDonald's lately. So I got a Big Mac and some chicken McNuggets. And I'm so excited. I can't even contain myself. Oh my God. And I got there like right when they started serving lunch. So this shit is like fresh. And I haven't eaten all day. I've been up since 5. I had to drive into Saco to the UPS store to return something from Amazon. And as I was driving in, I'm like, oh my God, all the fast food places are like right on the main road. So I hope everybody's doing awesome. Thanks for joining me today. I'm super excited to put this down my gullet. I hope you enjoyed the little nature walk. Fran and I went on a little walk after we went to the UPS store. And, now, I've never tried the hot mustard. Everybody seems to like that. I like everything mustard, so I got honey mustard and hot mustard. It's a really gorgeous fall day here, as you can see from the beginning. I can't. Oh, I need penetration. Oh, that was dirty. And the sweet tea. Fran is in the car with me. She desperately wants French fry. Let's start with the nugget. I'm in my new car too, so I'm going to try not to make a mess. Let's see what this hot moutarde is all about. Oh, yeah, it smells like brown mustard or like hot Dijon mustard. Oh my God, that's really good. I was watching Riri's mukbang when she had Mickey D's recently. And she really wanted her hot mustard and they didn't give it to her and she was all upset. It is disappointing when they get your order wrong or you know, don't put your favorite sauce in the bag. Oh my God, you guys, this is such a treat. I haven't had McDonald's. It was now October, by the way. I probably haven't had McDonald's since June or July. No joke. Which is not a bad thing. It's, I think it's probably, in the big picture of things, a good thing that, oh, shit, fast food isn't as accessible. Damn it, Janet. I'm going to try to get out on the paddleboard today. It is so gorgeous. I've been having really, really beautiful weather lately. It was very windy and rainy yesterday, but today it's all clear and beautiful. It's about 65 degrees out. Get into the honey mustard. The nearest UPS store is about half an hour away. So I was like, I'm going to find a little hiking trail and then see if I can get something to eat. Ah, there it is in all its glory. In the face hole. All right, whoever made this Big Mac, extra points. And this was definitely one of the first Big Macs of the day because I pulled in there at like 10:31. Oh my God. God, you guys, what a treat. I think it tastes that much better because I haven't had it in a really long time, and it isn't as accessible. Yeah, the nearest fast food is about half an hour away or 40 minutes away. Lettuce. Oh my gosh. It's like life-giving essence. This is hitting like so right now. When you satisfy the craves. Huh. A lot of my friends don't like the pickles on the burgers. It's like my favorite part. I do like the McDonald's pickles better than the Burger King ones, though. I am thoroughly enjoying this. Big Mac attack, y'all. And I usually get Sprite, but the sweet tea is hitting good too. Just enough ice. Yeah, this hot mustard might be my new favorite sauce. You know what? It's the color of, just the color of it though, not the taste, of course. Reminds me of Chick-fil-A sauce. Excuse me. I like that. That's not really hot or like spicy per se. It just has a little tang to it. Thirsty. Oh. Oh, last bites, y'all. Oh, and I know that the Mickey D's is not good for me. I'm hoping I don't feel like total shit in 15 minutes. Because I haven't eaten this in so long. But I couldn't pass it up today. I could not. I'm getting full. Yeah, these nuggets and the whole meal was like fresh. Like, as I was pulling up to the drive-thru, one of the employees came out to the drive-thru menu and like flipped the thing that, you know, switches it to lunch. Okay. There's one nugget left and like half a thing of fries, and I can't do it. And of course, I want to keep eating because it feels so nice in the face space. Oh, Fran. Are you having a good day? Driving around with your mother? You want a nice nature walk? You're sitting in the sun? You can have one little French fry. That's my girl. Sweetest weenie you've ever seen. All right, I'm gonna eat this last nugget. This is gonna put me over the edge. All right, okay, done. All right, guys, I'm calling it a video. Thanks for joining me in this one to satiate my Big Mac attack. I hope I feel okay in a few minutes because that was a lot of McDonald's for not having it in a while. Hope you all have a great day today. Keep snatching up your dreams in 2020. Much love. Stay safe and healthy. Be kind. And I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.